Hey guys, and welcome to another video with MrAlienSpoon, which is me of course, on YouTube. And today, now, I'll be going through a quick tip on how to make your Mac more reliable and most of all more responsive when working. So, the first thing we're going to do is go into the Go menu located at the top, as you can see on my screen, and you'll notice you'll have your computer, home, desktop, etc, but you go into utilities, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into activity monitor. Well, if you're familiar with Windows and work with Windows, then you'll know that task manager, it's basically the Mac version of that, but it shows a lot more detail and more information that you really do need to know about your Mac. So we'll go ahead and double click it, and this should pop up. It shows all the processes and all the programs that are currently active on the system, and on the bottom you'll see I'm currently on system memory, but you'll have the GPU status, percentages, and how many threads and processors are currently in operation. And if you go into system memory, which is your RAM, I've currently got 1.36 gigabytes free. So out of 2 gigabytes, which is quite alright in my view anyway. Well, as you can see here, this is where all the processors are. And you can see one's not responding, and it's using 2 threads and 1.2 megabytes of RAM, which actually does need, which my Mac does need, so we'll quit that, force quit, and diverting more resources to other processes, and we'll just type in my password, and then there we go. So you can do this, of course, like this one, Crossover, which is a program I've used to use Windows programs on the Mac, but I think it needs updating, but I'll update it and probably do another video on that. But anyway, that is using 2.43 megabytes of my RAM and 1 thread, which the Mac might need for something else, so we'll quit that. You can do this with your PC, well, Mac even, and your PC really, but this is just for the Mac. You can do this, find things that you don't really want on, like Hazel Help Finder, which I don't even know what that is, and Growl Help, which is, you don't really need help apps really, and just free these up. No, you can't do multiple at a time, so we'll do one at a time. We don't need that, and we don't need that. So really we're diverting more resources for the rest of the Mac, which is improved performance and stuff like that. So if it says user root, just leave them, because that's something that the system actually needs to use. Like, this is my current username, radio shift and all that, real memory. So basically just go down this list and look for things that are taking so many threads and RAM, and just quit the process, and then it'll be a lot faster. So there you have it, activity monitor on the Mac.